Today we're making air fried chicken. We figured that since we have an air fryer in our oven, right? That's basically what it is.
Well, you had for how long?
Over a year.
You've never used the air fryer?
I've used it a couple times to make platanitos.
Oh, have you?
Yeah. So like I've used it, but we've never used it together.
I've never used it.
He's never used it. But when we went to Sonoma a couple days ago, we saw that they had air fried breading. Air fryer crunch. And this is the house blend, so this is like the neutral one. I don't remember exactly the other ones that they had. One was like lemon.
It was like ginger,
something else.
garlic,
yeah.
Like sesame, ginger, garlic.
Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's set, baby. We have the air fryer on. It's doing
Taking
something.
a while.
But he's working on the chicken, so I think I'm gonna put some more breading on there, right, babe?
Yes, I would do that now, yeah. I think you might be able to slide by with the rest of the egg. Actually,
I don't know. So we kind of already started, but we figured we should record in case it comes out good or bad.
Document our findings.
Because we love making fried chicken when we make our bao buns, but we already seasoned it, per usual.
Mm-hmm.
It's flour, egg, breading. 3 are done, and they're looking so good.
Looking really good.
The color is beautiful. But we figured, because we have recorded ourselves making the chicken bao buns.
We were going to do baos for these.
But we wanted to try it out.
We want to try the
first.
breading first, just by itself.
Yeah, because the thing is that, like, the breading's a house blend breading, which, you know,
smallest one, yeah.
Which looks good, but we've never tried it before. And it basically has crunchy panko breadcrumbs, aromatic herbs, and savory spices. And it is not lying when it talks about savory spices, because when we saw the breading in the package, it's safe to say we didn't need to add too much seasoning ourselves.
Yeah, we stopped seasoning after we saw what was.
Yeah, so he only seasoned one side of the chicken, but like mix them together basically.
Yeah, because this has smoked paprika already in it. You can smell it. Smoked paprika.
It smells really good.
And it's got onion powder, garlic powder, and some other stuff.
I mean, he would know. He usually is the one touching it. I am not a huge fan. But we're planning on making sandwiches. So we got
ciabatta.
We got ciabatta bread. We got 4. Then we also got some lettuce. And we have mayo. So I think he's going to be using the Kewpie mayo. I'm probably just going to use like our regular mayo. And we're going to make chicken sandwiches, McDonald's, fancy
lettuce,
style.
mayo, chicken. Yep.
And we do have more chicken that we could like.
We might make chicken salad. We might do chicken fingers or chicken fries. Yep.
We might grill. Grilled
we
chicken.
Grilled chicken. Yep.
Yeah, we've been trying to use our grill a little bit more. But
all I know is that when we cooked burgers on the grill last week
for the 4th of July,
forget about it.
They're so good. And I recently purchased, which I want to have documented somewhere, is this. Where did I put it? This Murphy's mosquito repellent incense stuff. Their bug spray, really good. I didn't get bitten, and I usually all bugs
It's pretty good stuff.
eat me, even if I do put some type of bug spray on. But this one like really was good. And they have a balm as well, so then that way we don't have to like actually spray it, we can just like rub it on ourselves. But let me get some nice shots of Jake.
You got one piece left.
I know, that's why you gotta do it now. Okay, the chickens went in there.
Right, we'll do what, 5 minutes each side?
We're thinking around 5 minutes, but I feel like we need to do a little bit more. Hold on, this is lower. We're thinking around, what did you say, 5 minutes?
I'm thinking 5 on each side.
Yeah, because the little package thing, it talks about the basket, but again, it's in our oven, so we're gonna put it in the oven. I'm thinking 7 on each side, but we can definitely take a look, because it said the thermometer of the chicken should be 165, but we don't have a thermometer to see how hot the chicken is, so we'll see how that goes. And I'm going to start getting the lettuce ready and setting that up, so then that way by the time the chicken comes out, we have our bread and our lettuce good and ready to go. Right?
We could just make our sandwich and call it there.
Exactly. So
real quick, and then watch our movie.
Yes, we're watching now You See Us 2 before the third one comes out later on this year.
The third one comes out in what, a month?
Yeah, a month or 2.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so let's go do that. So now after 7 minutes, we're just gonna flip them real quick.
Okay.
Just a little bit, but make sure you only hit the chicken, because if not, it can cause a fire. Okay, I don't know if it's necessarily safe to put
Set
the
timer
pan.
For 4 minutes.
We need more time. The chicken's not cooked.
I think 4 minutes will do it.
We'll see. But I don't know if it's necessarily safe to put oil like that, but we didn't put oil when we put it into the oven other than coating it at the bottom. So we'll see. We just added a little bit more, so it's a little bit more
I think that'll
moist.
make it more wet.
Yeah.
Instead of dry. I feel like air frying really dries out the stuff. I mean, that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
But we'll see. Yeah. We'll give a review, but we're definitely going to pan sear, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pan sear the bread. So we'll do that in a little bit.
We're gonna get a nice golden crust on it.
Yep, exactly. So we'll get that shortly. Just finished cooking it. I just, cut the lettuce basically. So I'm gonna put that on my little sandwich. Here is the bread that we quickly toasted. So I'm gonna put some mayo on my bun. Tasted and smelled really good. Like I think it smells honestly better than the chicken we usually make. Realistically, I don't know if I need 1 or 2 pieces of lettuce, but I'm gonna figure that one out. We'll do a taste test in a second, because first bite. For being air fried, not only does it have a good taste, but the crispiness of the chicken is really good.
That's really good.
Safe to say, I definitely think we can make bows with this breading. I need more mayo. Do you want to bring the mayo over? That's what it looks like. Our home chicken.
You may know when to stop.
I was like, I didn't even see it going. Just put a little in the corner right there. Yeah, thank you. Very, very good. What would you rate it? Babes? That's what the chicken looks like.
8 right now.
An 8? I guess that's pretty high. I think it has a really good taste, and the crispiness of it is really good too. Like, I can't complain. And the flavor is just... It's a little different. I think it'll definitely taste really good if we do shrimp. Like seafood with it, I think would be really, really yummy. But I am currently cutting up my lettuce to put it on both sides of my chicken sandwich. You can see my secondary bite with lettuce on both ends and more mayo, basically. Yummy. What would you do differently, if anything?
I wouldn't even season the chicken. Because the breading's
The breading has a bunch of
already
seasoning.
seasoned.
But it's a good mix. It's not very overpowering either. So I agree with you. But I feel like the way it tastes now is still really good.
That's surprisingly crispy for being air fried.
I think for me, it was good putting it in for, I think it was like 15 minutes total. Was it more or less? Because it was 7 and 4. Because we had it in there for a while before we put the timer on. So it took like 15 to 20 minutes to cook.
It was like 10 to 12 minutes.
Yeah. And it's like perfectly cooked. So we're going to keep eating. But yeah, this is our first time making air fried chicken. Safe to say he likes it. I like it too.
It's really good.
Oh, and we're going to drink a poppy. These are the new ones. It's like the summer flavor, I think. Oh, should I?
Fruit punch.
Yeah. It's really
Punch
good.
pop. Nah, that's actually fire. It's really good.
Okay. Until next time, we're going to keep eating and then we're going to watch a movie.